Let us move on to one more example dealing with the Cauchy's integral formula. Observe the problem. Evaluate the integral over closed curve C 4 minus 3z divided by z minus 1, z minus 2 dz, where your curve C, it is mod z equal to 3 by 2. So observe, we'll start with a given curve. Given curve is C, which is mod z equal to 3 by 2. Observe that here mod z, I can write it as mod z minus 0. That means center of the circle is at z equal to 0 and radius of the circle is 3 by 2. So if I consider this circle with center z equal to 0, this point along with the radius, I can write 0 plus 3 by 2, that is 3 by 2 comma 0. Whereas to the left side 0 minus 3 by 2, that is minus 3 by 2 comma 0. Now observe the integrand within the function, within the problem. The integrand is 4 minus 3z by z minus 1, z minus 2. Observe the integrand is again in the form of rational function, numerator by denominator. So you can get the singularities at the point where denominator becomes 0. Denominator is 0 at the point z equal to 0, z equal to 1, z equal to 2. Now within the three singularities, let us check how many singularities are lying inside the circle C. So observe that z equal to 0, z equal to 0 is nothing but the center itself. So obviously it will be lying inside C. Z equal to 1, the radius of the circle, it is 3 by 2. 3 by 2, obviously it is greater than 1. So z equal to 1, it will be lying inside C. Whereas z equal to 2, observe that z equal to 2, 2 is greater than 1, greater than 3 by 2 also, greater than the radius. So z equal to 2 will be lying outside the circle C. So out of the three singular points, only two singular points are lying inside the circle C. They are z equal to 0 and z equal to 1. So from that I will delete this point. We need not to bother about the last point which is lying inside. We will be interested in the points which are lying inside the curve C. So now we will be using by the Cauchy's integral formula, integral over closed curve C 4 minus 3z by z minus 1, z minus 2 dz. Observe what I am doing. This is a circle which contains two singular points inside. That means this domain is now multiply connected domain. This multiply connected domain I will convert to the simply connected domain. How can I convert that? I can convert this curve as curve C1. I can write this curve as curve C2. Hence, I will state that this total integrand value will be equal to integrand over curve C1 4 minus 3z by z minus 1, z minus 2 dz plus integral over closed curve C2. Observe the curve C2. C2 is the curve with the center at z equal to 1 point. So I will write the same value again, 4 minus 3z by z minus 1, z minus 2 dz. I will rewrite the function. Observe your curve C1. C1 curve, the center point is z equal to 0. Within the Cauchy's integral formula, observe that within the multiply or within the simply connected domain, there should not be any singularity. Hence, within the curve C1, I will write the curve C1. There is only one singular point, that is z equal to 0. Hence, I will rewrite this function as 4 minus 3z by z minus 1 into z minus 2 whole divided by z dz. Observe this point carefully what I have done. Z equal to 0 is the singularity point along curve C1. So z equal to 0, that point only I have left in the denominator. Rest of the values I have put in the numerator. This is for the curve C1 plus same manner I will write for the curve C2. We know that C2 is the curve. What is the center point of the curve C2? We are considering center point of the curve C2 as z equal to 1. So except z equal to 1, that is z minus 1 will be in the denominator. Rest of the values in the integrand I will put in the numerator. Hence these values will be 4 minus 3z by z into z minus 2 dz. Now I will use Cauchy's integral formula separately for this curve C1 as well as curve C2. Observe it. How can I write that? For curve C1, integral over curve C1, 4 minus 3z by z minus 1, z minus 2 divided by z dz. This value will be 2 pi I f of z equal to 0. I will put the value here. F of z value here is nothing but the total numerator part. So I will write this value as to be equal to 2 pi I into 4 minus 3 into 0 divided by 0 minus 1 into 0 minus 2. Let us calculate the value. So this will be 2 pi I 4 divided by minus 1 minus 2, that will be plus 2. So this value will be simply 4 pi I. Now let us move on to finding integral over closed curve C2. Integral over closed curve C2, 4 minus 3z by z minus 2 divided by z minus 1 dz. This will be 2 pi I into f of z equal to 1. So observe the value, this will be 2 pi I. We have to substitute. F of z function now is here within this circle. It is the numerator value. So I will write here 4 minus 3 into 1 divided by 1 into 1 minus 2. Observe the value, which will be 2 pi I. 4 minus 3, that is 1. 1 minus 2, that is minus 1. So this will be minus 2 pi I. Let us add the two integral values and hence you will get the last result. I will write that. Integral over closed curve C, 4 minus 3z by z minus 1, z minus 2 dz. It will be integral over closed curve C1, that is here 4 pi I plus here this value minus 2 pi I, which is lastly nothing but directly I will write the value 2 pi I, which is your required answer. Thank you.